In a small village known for its quiet charm, a group of adventurous kids finds themselves at the center of a rainy day revolt, armed with nothing but imagination and a love for fun. With their eyes sparkling with mischief, the children devise a plan to take over the village's biggest puddle, enlisting the help of the unsuspecting cows who wander nearby. As the day unfolds, the kids and cows form an unlikely alliance, turning the village into their very own playground where the rules are made up and fun is the only agenda.